What if I told you that a $200 certificate can land you $75,000 remote job? Sounds wild, right? But it's true. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 online certifications that are actually worth your time and money in 2025. Not the fluff one, not the ones that nobody hired for. I've worked with hundreds of freelancers and job seekers, and I can tell you these 5 can change lives. And yes, they are beginner friendly. No college degree needed and no experience required. Make sure you stick around to the end. I am sharing free freelancing resources to help you kickstart your journey. Let's dive in. Number 1, Cloud Professional Data Engineer. If you want to break into data, this one is for you. The Google Cloud Data Engineer certification proves that you can design and manage data systems using Google Cloud tools. You'll learn how to build data pipelines, handle machine learning models, and analyze information in real time. Cost around $200. Time, just 1 to 3 months if you stay consistent. And the payoff? Jobs like data engineer, cloud architect, machine learning engineer. Average salary? Between $120,000 to $150,000 a year. It's also globally recognized certificate, which is perfect for remote work. Want to see jobs just like this? Check out Google Careers and LinkedIn Jobs. Number 2, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Data science is one of the most in-demand fields today. The IBM Data Science Professional Certificate equips you with essential skills like Python, SQL, and data visualization. This certification is ideal for beginners and can be completed in about 3 months. It opens doors to roles such as data analyst and data scientist with salaries ranging from $90,000 to $160,000. Career opportunities: data analyst, data scientist, and business intelligence analyst. Number 3, Certified Business Analyst Professional. Business analysts are crucial in today's data-driven world. The CBAP certification demonstrates your ability to identify business needs and determine solutions, typically complete in 3 to 6 months. This certification can lead to roles with salaries ranging $70,000 to $120,000. Career opportunities: business analyst, product manager, consultant. Number 4, CompTIA Security Plus. Cybersecurity is a rapidly growing field. The CompTIA Security Plus certification covers essential principles for network security and risk management. It's a great entry point for IT professionals and can be completed in about 3 months. Roles in this field offer salaries ranging from $70,000 to $110,000. Career opportunities: security analyst, system administrator, network engineer. Number 5, AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. Cloud computing skills are in high demand. The AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate certification validates your ability to design distributed systems on AWS. This certification can be achieved in 3 to 6 months and lead to roles with salaries ranging from $100,000 to $150,000. Career opportunities: cloud solution architect, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer. These 5 certifications are more than just a piece of paper. They are your ticket to high-paying, remote-friendly careers in 2025. Remember, it's not about collecting certificates. It's about choosing the right one and leveraging it effectively. To help you on this journey, I've created a free Upward Profile Optimization Guide and Upward Proposal Writing Guide. These resources include exact strategies how my clients use to land on remote jobs, even with 0 experience. Check out the link in the description and pinned comment below. If you have found this video helpful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who can benefit. And don't forget to check out my other videos where I delve deeper into each of these certifications. Until next time, be freelantastic.